are sometimes surprised to learn how much the food their kids eat affects their dental health and how important it is to start a dental routine early on. I'm Katie Gottwald. I'm a registered dietitian, pediatric nutritionist, and mom of 3. Today we're talking about good nutrition and how it plays a role in dental health. If we teach our kids healthy habits while they're young, they're more likely to maintain those habits throughout their lives. We know a nutritious diet can help kids have energy and maintain a healthy body weight. But good eating habits are also important to keep kids' teeth clean and mouths healthy. A smoothie is a really easy snack that tastes great and can pack a ton of health benefits for your kids. Start with some yogurt for a good protein-packed base full of calcium for strong teeth. Add frozen fruit for a hint of sweetness and a dose of vitamin C for healthy gums. Even adding some vegetables like spinach is a great way to sneak in extra nutrients. But remember, in addition to eating the right foods to keep our teeth healthy, we have to clean them too. Help your kids remove plaque and buildup by using kid-friendly flossers like these from Plackers. They're designed to be easy for kids to use, and they even taste like fruit smoothies, making flossing fun for your little ones. What do you do to help your kids maintain good dental health? Share your ideas on the Plackers Facebook page.